Hey guys, I'm Melissa and welcome to my YouTube channel. I love makeup. I love playing with colorful makeup. I love doing everyday looks. I love everything about makeup and I love to review makeup. So that's what this channel is going to be about. And today I want to take you with me to do a pink look using the Anastasia Riviera palette. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by doing my eyes first. Typically, I always do my face first, but I've running into a little trouble with fallout and just a mess. So we're gonna do the eyes today first. And again, I'm starting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I'm gonna go in. Car is playing with a chew toy. Car is my dog. I'm gonna start going in with Coastline as sort of like a transition shade. Now, I do already have an eye primer on. I have the Urban Decay, what's it called? Like the OG eyeshadow primer potion. I love this palette. It is so soft and creamy and the colors are just wow. They just released the Alyssa Edwards collaboration and I really want to get that almost solely for the purples. I'm so obsessed. Purple's my favorite color and I'm so obsessed with like a good royal deep purple. Like I need all of them that are on the market. I need all the eyeshadows, I need all the lipsticks, like I need deep purple everything because I just love it so much. Okay, so now that that is put down and blended all through my crease and all of that, I'm going to go in with Monte Carlo to sort of start deepening it up, getting the pinks in there. This time, rather than bringing it all the way up, I'm going to start staying towards my crease. I try not to pull on my eye, but sometimes I can't help it. Okay, now I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my transition shade, and I'm just going to take and blend up. I like to keep it as soft as possible. I'm by no means great at makeup, but I try to do my best. Okay, I'm happy. I'm going over it here and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna go into this pressed pigment called Bahamas and one of my favorite shades in the palette. So I'm gonna also take this into my crease. I'm just gradually making it more and more pigmented, more closer to the crease, get it really defined. I must say, Bahamas, I think these are the only two pressed pigments in the palette, Bahamas, and you know what, I can't even pronounce this. I'm not even gonna try. The purple shade. These two are my favorite. And I'm gonna take some and pull it in a little bit. Now I'm going to take the brushes that I did the first crease shade and then the transition shade and blend this out. First, I'm blending it out with the shade that I just used, Monte Carlo. And now I'm going to take my transition shade brush with Coastline and blend that. I do this several times during a look just to make sure that it's as blended as possible. Okay, and now I'll move on to the next eye, and then I will be right back. Alright, now I'm going to switch things over to my James Charles palette, which is actually disgusting right now because of who I am as a person. I don't know. I suck at keeping my palettes clean. And I'm gonna take a really tiny tapered brush and go into this dark pink shade right here. And really go in and like tightline my crease and bring it down to my outer V. To try and make this crease as precise as possible. Just run it through there. I really don't want to support James Charles anymore after his latest attitudes towards some people. But I already bought the palette when it launched, so I might as well use it. I'm just gonna try not to do whole looks based off the palette, because you can find this dark like magenta color anywhere. I think, yeah, there's a good kind of dupe for it here in the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which is excellent if you're just wanting to get into color. It's really cheap. Usually it's on sale on BH Cosmetics website, and they just have really good overall eyeshadows. I still have a really hard time trying to get rid of harsh lines. I feel like I can never get rid of them completely. Okay, we're learning. All right, now I'm gonna go to the next eye. All right, now I want to, what am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna take this little teeny tiny brush. I'm gonna kind of carve out where my lid and my crease meet. I wouldn't say it's a cut crease because I suck at cut creases, and whenever I try, it's not like precise enough, but it's kind of like a mediocre cut crease that I'm about to do. So I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, my Holy Grail concealer, and get a little of this and attempt to carve it out. Is that what you call it? Carve it out? Define it? You know what I mean. Oh man, this is rough. I'm just so shaky. Going in, trying to smooth out some of my goofs. Okay. This is better. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so now I'm gonna take just a flat top brush. I don't exactly know what this one is. I got it in a BoxyCharm, but it's really cute and glittery, and I love it. I'm gonna take, okay, so this is a single shadow from ABH. It's called Pink Champagne. I know you can still get it as a single. It's my favorite glittery, light, baby pink kind of shade. It was originally in Anastasia Beverly Hills's, that's a weird way to say that, in ABH's self-made palette, I think in like 2014, 2015. I think it was like one of my first high-end palettes besides the original Naked palette. And I fell in love with the shade, and by the time that I ran out, the palette was discontinued. But luckily, they had the singles, so I kind of keep these on stock. So we're gonna go in there. This looks really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Stila, like, you know, the OG. I need to get some, I really need to test out more liquid eyeliner because I pretty much religiously use this one. And I need to see how others are, especially drugstore ones. Because I don't know, it kind of bothers me spending 22 bucks on a liquid eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous / Paradise mascara, which is a really good dupe for Better Than Sex, but without all the flakiness, which we all prefer. I'm gonna add the color up under my eyes, but I'm gonna wait until I do my face and everything, my under eye concealer, before I go in with that. So that'll be very last. I absolutely love drugstore mascaras. Mascara is mascara, so I really have a hard time paying high-end prices for high-end mascara when there's something like this that's really good. It's like $9, I don't know, so, something like that, something under $10. Is it under $10? It's relatively in that area. So let me know what your favorite drugstore mascaras are in the comments. I really want to play with more because a lot of the times I'll just get one mascara, love it, and then stick to it for a while, but I really want to try out some others. Okay, so I'm going to go and do all my face stuff, and then I will be back. All right, I'm back with my face beat, and now we're gonna go in last with lips. I'm gonna use the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I don't remember the shade, but we're going real pinky today. I'm gonna use my Milani Color Statement Lip Liner. These are really good, really creamy, really cheap. So I definitely recommend those. I love this. This is so pinky. So if I had to recommend any liquid lipstick, it would absolutely be these. Just because they're so good. And I have a really hard time with liquid lipsticks because just the cakey and the crusty and the butthole lips, and I just can't do it. But these are so lightweight, it doesn't even feel like there's really anything on my lips, but definitely not a liquid lipstick on my lips. And they dry down really, really fast. I can kiss my boyfriend and not get all over him, and I mean, that's a plus. These are so good. And when they wear off gracefully. Like, they don't like cake up on my lips and just get all crusty and sit there. It just wears away naturally, and I love that. But yeah, so this is my finished look. I'm really glad you could be here for the first launch of my channel, my first video. So thank you very much. Please subscribe. I would love to have you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.